guys, it's about that time, my wife's favorite time, decorating. We have 2 nightstands that we purchased off an awesome place, a good couple that owns the business. It's called Sam's Discount Furniture. Awesome people, awesome service, and they gave us a great deal. So my wife is really excited. She's in the background, and yeah, she's excited.
I'm just watching him build, guys. I'm just watching him build. Yeah. He looks good doing it.
So let's build this. This is what it's gonna look like. Yeah. We're talking about real wood here. We're just going to assemble it, and I think it's gonna look pretty awesome. Let's get started. All right, guys, so you unfortunately won't be able to see me build this nightstand. I ran out of battery power, so at least you'd be able to see me build the second nightstand. Okay, guys, we're gonna get ready to install our second nightstand. Here, Justin is going to make the first cut.
Blue cheese. Yes!
Isn't that nice, huh?
I love it. I love it. Oh, tell them the backstory. Tell them the backstory.
So my wife had sent me to the store to try to pick up a carpet from one of the stores close.
No, that's not what happened first.
What?
We went to the store and we saw the price and we were like, heck no. We walked out without it. And then we regretted it.
My wife trying to save money. Yeah,
I was trying to save money, and we started going on different websites and nothing was happening, and I just still really fell in love with this one. So I sent my husband to go look for it for me.
Yeah, the carpet was gone.
That's at Homegoods.
Luckily, we found that the store that was same plaza, we found the same carpet for the same price. Yep. And we picked it up right away, so we were in luck.
Yes. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like rust color, red. There's green, exactly the match of that wall, that green. And some like hues of blue and stuff. It's just really pretty. Oh, and cream, ivories, and gray.
Yeah, love it.
So I just love the fact that it has a bunch of different colors. So if we ever decide to paint or change anything up, the carpet's just gonna stay here, and it ain't going nowhere.
So now we're going to building the bed frame. Let's get that in.
All right, guys, so a little backstory about our bed now. We got our bed from Facebook Marketplace for $150, I believe it was. The lady actually bought it from Wayfair for a lot more money. But Wayfair, I don't know why, accidentally sent her 2 beds, so she sold it on Facebook Marketplace, and I got it for a great deal, and I made a friend out of it, right, babe?
Mm-hmm. My wife goes out to find them deals.
So it's time to make the bed.
So we're gonna go from this to this. So here we are next day, wiring a chandelier we're gonna put up for our ceiling. Guys, my wife did not want to see the ceiling fan go. I mean, she has this thing running in the summer and in the wintertime. I'm taking this off. Time for this ceiling fan to go. Alright folks, the light has been installed. I think it looks good, but unfortunately my wife has some other different concepts she wants to introduce for this lighting, so she wants to change it again.
Well, I've only changed it once, so calm down. I decided that as much as I love this light and love the design of the light, it's too small. I think this was 20 inches, and on the pictures it looked much bigger. So I went ahead already and purchased this light right here, which is kind of the same design, just a two-tone gold and black color, which I don't mind. And it's 30 inches. So I'm looking forward to the fact that it's much bigger. Because this, I don't know, this one's making it, for me, just, it's not balanced.
It's nice, but maybe the 30-inch will look a little bit better.
No, I know the 30 inches will look better.
All right.
All right, so let's work. Go ahead.
Let's install it. So let's get rid of this fixture. We're going to change it up, go from this to this. Hey, what's up, everybody?
We are making our first pit stop at Homegoods. We've gotten pretty much everything, right? We got the rug, we got our bed, we got our mattress, but there's a few things that we need to pick up. So we're going to come to Homegoods and a few other stores. So we're going to take you along to come shopping with us and see what we pick up. You ready, baby?
Let's go along for the ride.
We're already here. It's not a ride.
Oh, yeah, okay.
The walk.
The walk.
The shop.
The shopping. All right, let's go.
Ooh, this is nice. And I like it. Let's come over here to the lamp.
Lamps.
There's a lot to look at.
There is a lot to look at. Look how beautiful my wife is.
Oh, these are nice, baby.
Again.
This one's nice.
Oh, I do like that.
How much is it, though?
I like the color of it.
Me too. Oh my god, it weighs nothing.
But baby, you about to knock over like 16 lamps over there. Jeez.
This doesn't have the tag on it. That's okay, because there's not two of them. Oh yeah, there is another one. Okay, let me see. This one's $40.
$40. I like that.
Do you like it?
I like that. Let's keep on looking and see what else we can find.
Okay.
Do you like any of those?
No, I don't like any of those.
Okay, alright.
No. Oh, this one's pretty. Oh,
That's the one I was talking
really
about.
Pretty.
That's the one I was talking about.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
It's kind of cool. I like this one though. I want something that's neutral, so then whenever we're changing our stuff, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Guys, it's kind of hard to shop in here and take you guys along because the music, if you guys can hear the music. So we'll do a pan and show you guys kind of what we're looking and liking, okay?
So we're in store number
2.
Yes, we're going to World Market now. We did find a few things in HomeGoods and decided to go to another store and just check out, see what other options we have because I didn't like the selection too much. I mean, there were some nice selections, just not like, wow.
So we're gonna keep shopping.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You ready?
Let's go.
All right, guys, store number 20.
Tired. We gotta keep it moving. Now we're at what? Marshall's?
Now we're at Marshall's.
So here we go.
We really don't want to drive to the city, guys. We're really trying to stay within the town. So we're hoping that we find something within the town. So.
All right, let's get shopping.
Let's go.
All right, so now I'm getting ready to install the sconce lighting. We decided to go with that instead of the table lamps. This is gonna be a better option for us. And we're not gonna go with electrical wiring, so we're gonna chop out all the electrical. We're gonna put this up with puck light. We're gonna put this up with what did I say?
With a puck light.
We're gonna put this up with puck lights.
For my husband not to have to hardwire anything, we went ahead and we're doing the puck light hack. What I did was order this from Amazon. This is a battery operated LED puck light. There's a 2-pack with a remote in there. You will need to have 3 AA batteries, and it comes with a remote like I mentioned before, which it's right here. I also bought the polarized handy outlet. So what I did was take this, you're gonna install your batteries. Then this comes with double-sided tape. So I went ahead and put the tape on this side. Put the tape on it. Make sure it's right in the middle. And then took the tape off on the other side. And then attach it to the center of the puck light. As such. Just hold it down for a little bit. And it's kind of like if you were going to be installing a light bulb. So then you just put it directly inside. Then bam. See? Easy hack. And it looks nice and bright. You can also, there's two, what is this, babe? Levels? Two brightness.
Two levels of brightness?
Two levels of brightness. So there's 50% right here, and then there's 100%, and then you can always dim it out down too, and then you can make it brighter. So yeah, a quick hack. And if you don't want to DIY or you're renting, this is the best thing that you guys can do. I will put this on the description box below. It's the polarized handy outlets and puck lights. All right now, Tubby's installing the lights. Babe, can I ask you a question? As someone who would do this or someone would hire to do this, how much would this usually cost you to get an electrician to hardwire sconce?
The hardwire sconce will
for both, for two obviously.
I'd say probably around about 120 bucks, something like that.
120 bucks?
Yeah.
Depending on time?
Depending on time and the location, the wiring, stuff like that.
So
if you're wondering why I'm not using wall anchors, I know that there are laths behind that I'm screwing into. This is the reason why I'm not going to use wall anchors for that purpose. Nice and tight. Now, if you're going with regular sheetrock, you definitely need to use wall anchors. Put it on. As my wife would say, as such.
As such?
Okay. Got a backup. I got a backup.
I'll get it for you.
I got it. There we go. Right. Everything's nice and leveled and right.
And you're ready. Are you ready, Greg?
Do it.
Turn it all off. Turn that off.
All right, let's do this.
Let's turn off our main light so then they can see our light.
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
Oh, I turned it off. And then that's 50%. That's 100%.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's really good. Especially when you're annoying me and you're trying to turn on the light to edit. This is a perfect. It's not too bright, guys. It's perfect.
She always talking junk. It's okay. It's all right. All right.
Jeez, this is some heavy duty stuff, huh? Mm-hmm. I like it. So do you like this, baby?
About 100%.
Would you recommend this to people?
I would definitely recommend this hack to people because it saves a whole lot of time. Definitely
and money.
Yeah, and it's neat. It doesn't take a whole lot of money to do this, so definitely affordable hack.
You heard it here, guys, from the contractor's mouth. Before we actually finish making the bed, I think we should switch the curtains. Because even though this sheet is like, you know, like a brownish tan color, which is really pretty, but our top sheet and everything else is more like a cream color.
Yeah.
And then the walls are white. And I know that we have color within there and the floor, but I really think that it would look nice if we put those, the velvet curtains that we got from Ikea.
I think these look nice. It's neutral, but you can give it a shot.
Let's give it a shot.
Let's give it a shot.
Why are you trying to sound like your interior designer? It looks neutral. Okay. Baby, it looks pretty nice. What do you think? Put it in, baby, and give it a karate chop. Oh, don't break it now, Greg. Greg, let me do it. You don't have lady hands.
You got it. All right.
Okay, don't do the most of it, babe. You just mess it up.
You're good.
No, babe, look at this. Look at that.
Oh.
That's not cute at all. You're like fluffing it to death.
Yeah. All right.
There you go. Alright guys, we are in a big debate. Our bed is made.
Yes.
And we wanted to make the bed on purpose because we wanted to see if we wanted to switch the curtains. We got the curtains the same color as this pillow just in case, because at first we were thinking that there was way too much like the neutral color, which there is a lot of it. But we also have the accent wall, and we have the the carpet.
Mm-hmm.
So we are going to try and put these on.
Experiment.
And see which one we like better. So we're gonna leave one panel this color and one panel that color.
Yeah.
And then see, and then if we kind of sort of like it, then we'll go with both panels just to see how it will like. What do you think?
Let's do it.
We're gonna try.
Yeah.